How to change email on ESPN Fantasy Sports. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change email on ESPN Fantasy Sports. Changing email on ESPN Fantasy Sports is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the app, launch the ESPN Fantasy Sports app on your mobile device. Log into your account. Make sure you are logged into your ESPN account. Access account setting. Tap on your gear icon usually located in the top right corner or bottom menu. Select account information. Then tap on delete account. It's located right here. Change email address. Tap on the email field to enter your current email address. A verification field will come, then enter the code. After that, enter the new email address and confirm if required. Save and verify. Save the changes and check your new email inbox for verification link. After completing this step, your ESPN Fantasy Sports account will be associated with the new email address. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.